Hello everyone, this is Rosie from Lvxin Packaging. We are specializing in molded pulp packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I want to show you a guide for the new packaging portrait for skincare products. You can see this is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material, so the color is the natural white and the surface is very smooth, and the other side has the mass texture. Each cavity can fit the product very well because we design the portrait follow the product in size. Also, our packaging portrait can be 100% decorable within 3 months. If you have any requirement on the paper pulp packaging, you can feel free to contact us. We can provide the professional design service within 24 hours. It is free design service. If you are interested in this product and you have a requirement about it, just feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.